Hey guys, it's Dave the Mower Man, and back here with the first video in a while. This thing's been sitting for about 4 months, pretty much the entirety of winter, and you know, got a little bit of dust, just a tad. Disgusting, but she's been sitting in the garage. You know, we drained all the gas out of her, did, you know, regular maintenance for the winter, and we're gonna see if she'll start up. But she's got no gas, so we're gonna put some gas in there first. Got the transmission disengaged because I had to roll it out of the garage. Mouse nest or something back there. Back right tire looks a little bit low. Can fix that. Battery hasn't been charged since it was put away, covered in dust. Yeah, it's great. But I did turn the key, and it looks like we have some sort of power because the lights are working. So let's hit the parking brake. Just see if it'll even turn over quick. Okay, so it's got a good battery. Lasted 4 months without a charge. And yeah, just look at the hood. Disgusting. But yeah, engine's nice and clean. But gotta get a new air filter for this thing. But gas tank completely empty, bone dry. Just took the fuel line off and drained it into a bucket. And fuel filter. Still got a little gas in there. Not enough to start it though. Oil filter, it's gotta be replaced. It's leaking a little bit there. It's not bad. A little something coming out of the cylinder. Not sure where that's coming from. Could be a leak. Hopefully it's not though. It's not bad. But you know, small leaks turn into something. I haven't checked the oil in a while. This could be bad. Oh, it's beautiful. Still gotta change that though. But yeah, she's looking, you know, decent. Blades look like, you know, I've hit a couple sticks, small ones of course, and yeah, it's not bad. Guess something was covering the dust right here. Just that beautiful yellow paint decals. Get all this crap swept off of it or whatever. But go ahead and throw some gas in there and see if she'll start up. So we're back and just put some gas in there. Just a little bit. Just barely enough to get the bottom there. Should be more than enough to start it up. Gotta fill the fuel filter too, and the fuel line, so that's all probably gonna get sucked up into the engine. Yeah, so got the parking brake set. This is a cold start from probably been about 4 months, so we'll see. Nothing yet. Just gotta suck all that gas down into the engine first, but surprised she still has power. It's a good battery. Good company too. Not one of those Chinese mowers. I'm just gonna give you some crap battery, you know. But alright, let's try again. hopefully you can hear me now, but I'm gonna run for a couple minutes and warm up, and then clean her up a little bit, and that'll be it. So I'm back and cleaned her up just a little bit. You know, I'll probably have to pull out the hose sometime soon, get rid of all this crap, and get that tire filled. But I cleaned the seat off with my hand, and then I forgot about the back, and my shirt took care of that pretty good. Started up the blades, as you can see. She didn't like that too much, but you know, just got crud everywhere in here. Just caked on there. See, the entire bottom of the deck is covered with stuff like this. Like, this is grass. It's just kind of weird. Kill somebody with that. Don't know why you would want to, but put the blade out of the way there a little bit. Yeah. Oh yeah. But the good thing is, with Cub Cadets, you get the hose. You can put your hose on there, and then you start up your blades, and it'll wash everything out. So you don't have to, you know, take the deck off and, you know, get down and dirty. But I mean, transmission looks fine. From what I'm able to see, it looks fine. But you can hear a little bit of a rattling back there. I don't know if that's just, you know, the little plastic fan back there. Oh yeah, that's what it is, definitely. But I mean, that looks pretty good condition. Everything. Let's get a little dirt there. Probably should get a power washer for this thing. It needs it. Check the hours. I think it's like 80 something. We last left it. 80. No, it's 12.6 volts. 89.6. So she's getting 90 hours on her, and that's not bad. 2 seasons of use, and you know, 3 acres. It's not too bad. But I'm gonna call it quits here, on this video at least. It's spring. I know. It's gonna be warm out soon. I'm out here in shorts, and hopefully we make a fishing video soon. But you know, we'll have to see what the weather decides. But it's looking good so far. Yeah. So see you guys then.